The goal is we want to take you guys step by step until we make sure that you are good in the trading industry. So what you want to do in case it is your first time here is to hit the subscribe button, turn the notification bell on, and please, as a way to show the support and as a way to show that indeed you appreciate our efforts and what we're doing in this channel, make sure to hit the like button. And at the course of the video, if you have any question, please do not hesitate to drop them on the comment section, because based on your question, I will understand where you need more explanation and know how to teach you more even in subsequent videos. All right, so make sure you engage in the comment section. So let's get into the main video. Click on open demo account, put your email, click on I agree, and create demo account. A mail is going to be sent to you and you want to click on that mail to confirm. So you want to click on verify my email. Now they will ask you to select your country and citizenship. So select your country. For my country, I'll choose Nigeria. Citizenship, Nigeria. Click on next. Keep your account secure with a password. After putting your password, click on Start Trading. So here's the introduction. Welcome to the Trader's Hoop. So you want to click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next. Click on Next again. Then click on Start Trading. So once your account has been created, congratulations to you. If you have watched this video to this extent, that means you're about to start a real-time trading journey. So make sure you stick with me even on this channel, because right here in this channel, all I do is to give you guys trading ideas, tips, strategies, and ways to make money in the Forex markets. That is why you want to make sure that if you haven't hit the subscribe button, you do so and turn the notification bell on like I showed you. Next thing you want to do is to click on CFDs. Now you get to observe that here we have Deriv Demo, Financial Demo. Now this is if you want to create a demo account, and then if you create a demo account, Deriv is going to give you 10,000 US demo dollars for your practicing of your Forex journey. So if you are a new Forex trader, my best advice, which I always give to my students and which has always worked for them, is create a demo account and practice for at least 5 to 6 months before you get into a real funded account. So the next thing is we want to create an account and we want to link it to our MT5. So if you get to observe, you will notice we have Deriv Demo, Financial Demo. That is to tell you, this is a demo account. So I will take you through by showing you how to create a demo account, and also I will show you how to create a real account and get them connected to your MT5. All right, let's get started. So what you want to do right here on this demo is to click on Get Demo. So you'll be asked to create a password. Remember, we set up a password when we were creating this Deriv account. That password is for logging into your official Deriv portal. But the password we're about to create right now is going to be a password you will use to log into your MT5. So on this case, we're going to use something much different, which we can easily remember. So once your password is set up, you want to click on Create Deriv MT5 password. Your account has just been created. Now let us go and link this up into our MT5. For you to link it up into your MT5, you need two things. One, you need the ID of the MT5 account you just created, and you need the password which you also just created. Okay, so let us get the ID. For you to get the ID, what you want to do is to click on Open. Now right here is going to give you your broker, Deriv.com Limited. It's going to give you your server, Deriv Demo, your login ID. This is your login ID which we're going to use to log into MT5, and then the next thing is the password which we just created. So what we want to do is to click on this little copy icon which is close to our login ID here. Now it has just been copied, so we want to go to MT5 and log it in. Is to search for your MT5 app, which I have mine here. Click on it and open. When you open your MT5, you want to click on Settings. Under Settings, you want to click on New Account. At the new account, you want to search for Deriv. Now you see there are a bunch of Deriv accounts here. So we want to look for Deriv.com Limited, which is this one here. Now under the server, we're going to click on Deriv Demo. because what we just created is a demo account. Under the login, you want to put the ID you just copied. And under the password, you want to put the password you created for the MT5 demo. After you're done putting your credentials, then the next thing you want to do is click on Done. Voila! Our Deriv demo account has just been added to our MT5. Now let us see if it's functional. Click on Quotes, and as you can see, this is your demo trading account. So if we click on Charts, we can see our charts. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. Alright, and that's good. If you click on Trade, during your practice, when you are placing a trade, buying or selling, you would see the list of the assets you buy or sell right under this trade. Let us take an example. We click on Charts. We click on this little icon on the top here. Here we have sell. Here we have buy. So let's say we place a buy. Now it's going to ask you one-click trading. Do you really accept the terms and condition? Cool. Click on this. Accept. Now place a buy again. Click on buy. We have just placed a buy. Let us see if we are in profit or in loss. To see that, you click on trade. So under trade, you can see the item you just placed a buy for. And indeed, because it's blue in color, we are in profit. But whenever it's red in color, then you know we are in loss. For instance, watch this. Now it's red in color, showing we are in loss. When you close the trade, now because we had loss, our demo USD has just decreased. For you to see the history of your trades, you want to click on history. And here you will have the history of your trades. And that is how simple it is to place a buy or a sell using your MT5. Now that we are done creating a demo account for practicing, let us also create a Deriv real account. For us to create a real account, you click on this icon under the trader's hoop where it says demo. And now you can see demo real. So click on real. Now under the real, it's going to tell you you need a Deriv account to create a CFD account. So how do we do that? Click on get a Deriv account. Now it's asking you in what currency do you want your trading account to be? But for me, I want to use USD. This is much more easy for me because whenever I want to fund my account, I can easily fund using a USD. But mind you, if you also want to fund your account using cryptocurrency, you can always come back and create a Bitcoin account or which of the cryptocurrency you want. For the sake of this video, let's click on USD. So click on next. Okay, right here is asking for identity verification. So this is the state whereby you need to prove that you are indeed a real human being and not a robot simply by giving them your identification. Choose document type, driver's license, national identification number, or you can click on I want to do this later. Probably I will have to click on this so that I can still put you through every other process. But for you, I would advise you, if you have any of your identification, put it at once and know you're settled with that. So it's going to ask me to input my name and details. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to use a random name because I cannot use the same name I have with my normal trading account. For account opening reason, you want to click on income earning. After that, you want to click on next. And here it's going to ask you your address. So you want to make sure you put the right address. Why? Because in future to come, Deriv is going to ask you to verify your address. And what you need to give to them is something like electricity bill that carries your name and your address, or your statement of account, of which you can easily get from your bank app within a space of 10 to 20 minutes. And you submit it and you can get yourself approved. So I just put my address and I'll click on next. You want to go scroll down, click on I am not a PEP. I have not been a PEP in the last 12 months. What does the meaning of PEP? PEP simply means a political exposed person. So you want to click on it, click on I agree, and then you want to click on add account. Your account is ready. Fund your account to start trading. So for now, we're going to click on maybe later. So now that we have created a Deriv real account, the next thing we want to do is to create a real MT5 account. So we'll click on get. choose a jurisdiction to your Deriv MT5 account. You can scroll through. To me, I really don't know the difference between all of them, but as long as I can easily create an account, set it up on my MT5, I'm trading and it's working, I'm good to go. That's it. So I'll click on Send Recent and then click on Next. So now it's going to prompt us to create an MT5 password. Remember, that was the same thing we did when we were creating a demo account. So your MT5 password is that password you will always use to log into your MT5 for your trading. So it is best advised, use just one password. The password you used on your demo account, use it here too. But always make sure it's different from the main password for your Deriv account. I hope you understand that. Click on Add Account. Success. We have successfully created a Deriv real account. So we click on, so do you want to fund it now? If you want to fund now, cool. But if you don't want to do so, you click on maybe later. So for us to log this into our MT5, what we want to do is to do the same thing we did on the demo account. Click on Open. And here it's going to show you your broker name, Deriv SVG LLC. Don't forget. Deriv server is Deriv SVG server. Then your login here. So we click on this icon and copy our login. So let's go straight to the MT5. We click on Settings. We click on New Account. We search for Deriv. Now here we have many Derivs, but here we have Deriv SVG LLC. Click on it. Now we're not dealing with a demo, we're dealing with a real account, so we click on here. And what is our Deriv server? So we click on this one. Now paste your login here and put your password here. Once that is done, click on Done, and boom, your account has just been added. We have 0 here because we don't have money in our real account yet, right? Good. So if you click on Quotes, you get to see all your accounts. If you click on Boom 500, click on Chart, and here you have the Boom 500, where you have the candles and the spikes. I'm sure you would love to also learn strategies on how to trade the boom and crash. You can always find those videos right here in my channel, because I post contents that help you make money in the Forex market, be it the synthetic, the currency pairs, and you know what? Soon I will start posting stocks because I'm beginning to invest in stocks. So that is why you want to make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and very importantly, turn on the notification bell. It helps you get notified instantly whenever I post the content. And also, don't forget to drop me a coffee by hitting the like button. So I hope you've learned how to create a Deriv account safely, and I hope you love this video.